When you need a break from everyday life, there's no better way to relieve yourself with a hiking trip. Exploring winding forest paths, enjoying clean mountain air, taking in the beautiful landscapes, and of course, sleeping beneath the stars are all therapeutic in a way. But for every trip, you need to have some gear to enhance your total outdoor experience. And in today's video, we have talked about the 7 amazing hiking gear on Amazon that you can get yourself to enjoy your trip to the fullest. So let's jump into the video.
LifeStraw is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Venturing out into unknown territory requires accurate navigation, and that is why you should have the SUUNTO MC2G, a mirror compass that shows you the way with precision. It comes with fast, globally balanced needle with jewel bearings so that you don't get confused outdoors and make the right decision for your hiking adventures. Its large siding mirror offers 50% more accurate reading than non-mirror models to ensure you understand better without any hassle. This compass works anywhere in the northern hemisphere and features notched capsule for comfortable grip even with gloves. It has also got a detachable lanyard with a snap lock that you can use for a convenient carry experience. All in all, the SUUNTO MC2G mirror compass offers precision navigation with a variety of carefully engineered and dependable features to show you the right path every time. Keep your hands warm on a winter hiking trip without any electricity or hassle by using the HotHands hand warmers. These warmers are single-use air-activated heat packs that come in varieties. From warming up only your hands to the whole body, you can easily use them whenever you feel cold. Depending on which warmer you've got, they can provide essential warmth for 8 to 18 hours without stopping in between. These warmers are air-activated and provide safe, natural heat so that you can use them free of worry. They are also ultra-thin and ready to use, enabling you to put them in your pocket and enjoy the warmth. Keeping your hands and body on a winter hike can be difficult, but with the HotHands hand warmers, you can do that pretty easily. Socks play a great role when it comes to overall enjoyment on your hiking trip. That's why you should always have the Darntov Light Hiker Micro Krill Light Cushion, a breathable and comfortable pair of socks that can be a great addition to your hiking gear. It offers a super breathable and thin construction throughout to ensure your feet stay dry and always have the air to breathe. It's loaded with durable cushioning that keeps your feet comfortable mile after mile on your hiking trip. This pair of socks has a higher proportion of nylon to merino wool, which provides awesome wicking power and keep your foot dry. In a sense, the Darntov Light Hiker Micro Krill Light Cushion is a lightweight, breathable sock that is always ready for sweaty hiking adventures. Nothing can beat the importance of having a medical kit on your hiking gear setup. That's why you should check out the Adventure Medical Kit's Mountain Hiker Medical Kit. The Hiker Medical Kit contains carefully selected first aid supplies to treat common on-the-trail injuries and illnesses. This hiking first aid kit features essentials ranging from moleskin and after-bite to EMT shears and a trauma pad. Its first aid supplies are organized into clearly labeled, injury-specific compartments under the Easy Care organization system, making it real easy to find what you need quickly. This medical kit comes in a durable and water-resistant bag with semi-transparent pockets to keep the content safe and dry. It also features a reflective mountain logo so you can quickly find the kit in the dark. Comprehensive yet compact, the Mountain Hiker Kit is the lightweight addition to your hiking gear that prepares you and a friend for whatever you may experience during a weekend on the trail. Nobody knows how much task you have to deal with on a hiking trip, but you can surely do that efficiently with LEATHERMAN Rebar, a multi-tool that is a must-have item for a hiking trip. Inspired by Team LEATHERMAN's original PST, Rebar features all locking tools, 100% stainless steel construction, and removable wire hardware cutters to be your helping hand in every single situation. With Rebar, you'll get a total of 17 different tools in one compact construction, including knives, pliers, screwdrivers, and many more, so that you can always have the right tool in hand. It comes with all the locking features, which means that every tool and knife on the body of the handle, with the exception of the plier head, will lock into place. And this enables the user to operate individual tools safely and effectively. Compact, lightweight, and made for just about any job around the house or job site, your Rebar is always within the reach and ready to go. On a hiking trip, exploring unknown trails in the dark can be really difficult. Same goes for setting up a campsite. This is where you can use the Black Diamond Spot 350, a powerful headlamp that provides essential brightness hands-free. Its LED emits up to 350 lumens of brightness with a beam distance of up to 85 meters, while its power tap technology allows instant brightness adjustment settings between full and dimmed power to match your needs. This headlamp has brightness memory, which allows you to turn the light on and off at the chosen brightness without having to revert back to full or medium power. It can provide brightness for up to 30 minutes straight without stopping in between. It's also IPX8 rated, which means even if it gets wet, you have nothing to worry about. The Black Diamond Spot 350 is a quality, durable, and bright light that hits a sweet spot for most people's needs on a hiking trip. Staying hydrated on a hiking trip is important, but carrying a water bottle may add bulk to your backpack, and outdoor water sources can be full of harmful germs, and that's where LifeStraw personal water filter comes into play. It comes with hollow fiber membrane technology, which removes minimum 99.9% of waterborne bacteria, 99.9% of waterborne protozoan parasites, and filters up to 0.2 micron so that you can have fresh drinkable water from any water source. It can filter up to 1,000 gallons of contaminated water without iodine, chlorine, or other chemicals, and that's enough drinking water for an individual for over 5 years. An alternative to iodine tablets and bulky purifiers, it weighs only 2 ounces for ultralight portability and has got a high flow rate for drinking from any untrusted water source. With LifeStraw personal water filter, you can always have fresh drinkable water to quench your thirst on a hiking trip. So, that was all about the 7 amazing hiking gear on Amazon just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.